Hello guys, hope you are fine. Today we are going to Folkestone, that is in the East London, and that's a beautiful place. I hope so you like the place. That is so lush green area, hilly terrain, and big houses. And this is the outer London. That looks so nice. So, and if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. And please comment which place you want to visit next time. So I'll be there. This area look like forest and there are lots of deers and other wildlife animals. I will show you around. Look in front of the road. There are some deers crossing the roads. Oh wow, they are running. They're scared, I think. And look that way, there are others, loads of deers are there in the group. Look, there are black as well. Look, there are two blacks and others, and they are just running. They might be thinking we are following them. Look how fast they are running. And so beautiful place. If you want to enjoy, you can come and you can stay for longer. This place never make you feel bored, and you can come here for the picnic as well. This is very nice destinations to stay. In a car, please be careful about the wild animal. They might be crossing any time, and that can be risky for them. There are lots of signboards you can see that's make you aware about the animals crossing the roads. So sometimes you can see some of the animal died on the road, so please be careful about the animals while driving the car. Look, this is the nearest place to the sea, and looks so amazing. Look, the houses there, even as compared to central London, there are some buildings, but the houses are so bigger there. And the terrain is hilly. Look the area, look the house is so nice and pretty location, and you can see the trees as well. It's covering around the house. This place is so amazing. Seriously, you should visit this place. However, it takes 5 hours from central London to Folkestone. That is maybe 3 hours or 4 hours. It depends where you're staying. You won't feel boring in the way, because it was so amazing. It was interesting as well. So if you keep looking outside, enjoying the place, enjoying the views, the roadside views, it's so amazing. Even there are lots of other activities if you want to do. That include the hot air balloon as well, and paragliding, I think, and boating as well. So whatever you like, you can do, and you can enjoy the place. You can stay whole day. And if you are in the car, so please be careful about the parking as well. So there are few parking space, however, but they are busy most of the time during weekends, because lots of people visit this place. But rest of the days, the weekdays, you can might be find the nice place for your car as well. And there are a place for free parking, but that's for 3 to 4 hours maybe. So please check before park your car. And it's so beautiful place. I like it. The houses are amazing here. Seriously, you will like it. We will like the place. These are the sea facing houses. That looks so nice. And look in front of the house, the views. It's so beautiful place. Oh my god, look the beauty of the place. These peoples are so lucky staying there in such a beautiful view in front of their house. I'm afraid if I can make video there, because that place is so sensitive. People are changing, bathing, are swimming there. So now we are also ready to swim. We are also ready to fun with the water, so you can enjoy the place. Look, the sky and the sea is looking the same. It's looking all as sky, but that place is the sea in front of you. And people are boating here, and people are even sitting on the top of the hill, enjoying the view and enjoying the picnic spot. I think it's best picnic spot. During the summer, you should definitely visit this place and you will like it. And this is very good for the kids as well, because now it's holiday time and they are at home, so they can enjoy the place. and they can remember this well. And there are seaside small houses or stay, we can say. There are people are staying there and they are enjoying the view. The best thing about this place is that you can enjoy the feel of two beaches. There is sand beach as well as the stone beach. It's very rare when we find all the qualities in same beach. So there are some people who like the sand beach, so they can enjoy in the sand beach, and there are side by side, the other side there are stone beach, so the people who like to swim or to stay on the stone beach, so they can also enjoy. So that's why this place is very nice. I visit other beaches in UK. One of them is South End Beach, and I will say the experience at that beach was the worst because there was no water, and during the afternoon it's all the water goes away from there. Have to spend lots of time to reach the place, and whenever we get such kind of experience, that's also a kind of memory, and this is also the kind of memory. But I will say this is the best place for the all of the people who like to enjoy the sand as well as stone beach and picnic as well. So these are the multi-purpose place, we can say. Look, the people are boating here, and also the birds are flying on the sea. The water is cool, maybe it's cool for some, but in the summertime it's very nice. While we are coming, this bridge is called the Dartford Crossing. That's famous for this nice structure. This is on the river, and there is one more bridge down there. You should come and visit this place, and if you need further guidance, please comment me, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and please comment if you want more videos like this.